Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see installation of DevC++ software. First, you have to open the Google Chrome browser. Once we open the Google Chrome browser, you have to type DevC++. Just press the enter. Now see, it is showing the different website where DevC++ is available. Now see, I'm selecting this one, SourceForge DevC++ download for this website. Okay, so just click on this DevC++. Now see, it is showing green colored symbol or button. Now you can click on this download option. Now see, it is showing the download will start shortly, and the status of file is here. It is showing the downloaded file. Now see, it is starting downloading of DevC++ software. Now see, it has downloaded the DevC++ software executable file. So just double click on this. Once you this installer language. Now see, I want to select the language here. So there are different languages. So I will prefer the language as English. So just also by default it is giving the English language. So just click on OK button. Once you click on OK button, it is showing the license agreement. Now always you have to read the license agreement. After reading this, just click on I agree. Again, see, it is showing the different components of DevC++ software, whether you have to select the features which you want to install. So whatever default features are there, all are required for our programming. So just click on next button. Now see, it is the next window which is showing the choose install location, means on which path you want to install the DevC++ software. Now see, it is showing the path on my machine, that is on C drive program files. In that DevC++ it will install. So just click on install button. Now see, it is showing the installation is in progress. So within a minute it will complete the installation. Now it is showing the DevC++ has been installed on your computer. Just click on finish. You see, automatically it is creating desktop icon here. It is a DevC++. Now see, for programming, it is asking about the setup, that is which language you want to prefer. Yes, I will prefer the English. Just click on next. Once you click on next, again it is asking about the working area, setup about the working area, which kind of font you want to select. Suppose I am selecting this one. See, here the font presentation has been changed. Again, color which you want to check. Suppose I have selected ocean, it will change the window color. Again, the setting is about the different new looks of the icons. Just click on next. Now see, it is showing the area where I am going to start the typing of program. So what you have to do, just click on file, new, and select the source file. And here you can type your